If you're thinking about boosting your tech career in 2025, this is the video you've been waiting for. Certifications aren't just fancy titles anymore. The right one can help you land a remote job, negotiate a six-figure salary, or even break into a completely new field like cloud computing, cybersecurity, data engineering, or AI. With so many options like AWS, PMP, and CISSP, how do you know which certifications are worth your time? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 certifications for 2025 based on real hiring trends and industry demand. Whether you're an IT pro, a career switcher, or just starting out, there's something here for you. And stick around for a bonus tip at the end for beginners. So grab a notebook, open a new tab for job searches, and let's dive in. Let's kick off with a heavyweight, the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional. AWS still leads the cloud market in 2025, and this cert tells employers you're the kind of person who can design complex, secure, scalable cloud systems. Most professionals getting this certification already have some cloud background. They're moving into senior roles like cloud architect or DevOps lead, and it shows in the paychecks. In top markets, it easily hits $150,000 or more. If you're serious about cloud leadership, this is the cert that speaks louder than words. Number 2. CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Cybersecurity isn't optional anymore. It's a boardroom priority. The CISSP certification by ISC2 is a gold standard for security leadership. It's tough to earn, but that's exactly why it's so respected. Candidates often have 5+ years of experience, and they're aiming for high-level roles like security manager, compliance lead, or even chief information security officer. And let's be real, pay in cybersecurity is fire. Many CISSP holders make well over $140,000, especially in industries like finance, healthcare, and tech. If you want to lead security strategy, not just implement it, CISSP is the badge that proves you're qualified. Number 3. Google Professional Data Engineer. We're living in the age of data, and companies need engineers who can do more than just store it. They want insight, pipelines, and automation. Google's Professional Data Engineer cert is designed for exactly that. It's especially valuable in 2025 because it blends cloud, big data, and AI skills all in one package. From designing data models to deploying machine learning solutions, this cert gives you credibility in job roles like data engineer, ML engineer, or big data analyst. And salaries? Most certified pros report $115K to $145K and rising, especially as generative AI continues to explode. Number 4. PMP, Project Management Professional. Tech isn't just about code. It's about execution. That's where project management comes in. The PMP from PMI is one of the most respected project management certifications worldwide. What makes it valuable is its versatility. Whether you're in software, healthcare, manufacturing, or finance, PMP proves you can lead projects, manage risk, and hit deadlines. Professionals with this cert often move into roles like project manager, program manager, or operations lead. Average salaries range between $100K and $135K. Number 5. Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate. AI is no longer a buzzword. It's embedded in business strategy. Microsoft's Azure AI Engineer certification is built for professionals who are shaping the future with intelligent apps. You'll learn to integrate large language models, cognitive services, and machine learning into cloud solutions, all powered by Azure. The demand for AI engineers is massive in 2025, especially in roles like ML developer, AI product engineer, or cloud AI specialist. Salaries typically fall between $100K and $130K, depending on your location and project scope. Here's a bonus tip. If you're just starting out, you should start here. If you're early in your tech career or switching paths, don't sleep on the foundational certs. Think CompTIA A+ or Security Plus, or Microsoft's Fundamentals certs in Azure, AI, or data. They're low cost, easy to access, and a great signal to employers that you're serious. Whether you're aiming for 6 figures, pivoting into a new field, or just leveling up, the right certification can change your trajectory in 2025. Want practice exams or prep tips? Check out the links in the description. And hey, which of these certs are you going after this year? Drop a comment and let's help each other grow.